Thank you. Love you, man. Tooting happy operating crew there. Okay, milepost 60, BNSF, main track number 3, westbound. Some people call these open table cars. I have no idea why. They're shaped like swimming pools. And they're actually called well wagons. You would think they would call a bunch of flat cars tabletops. Alright, now we got some piggyback. All-purpose spine cars. Boy, up just 2 miles down the road, it's sunny. Up with the rocks. Just got a nice freight train up there. I was going to stay up there, but a lot of traffic is having a hard time turning around. And saw this train going down main track number 3, so I popped over here. I've filmed here before in this exact spot. We're at the old Cajon depot site, but I'm inside number 3 and in between all the tracks here. Safely away from the tracks, but inside. Picking up a little speed now. Stacked up westbound. Coming out into the Cajon pasture there. There's trains just backed up for miles. I always crack up with these other rail fans because I kind of got a pretty good pulse speed of what goes on around here. I got a radio and they're all set up ready to go, and I just kind of cruised in at the last moment. Get in the perfect spot. Catch my junk and get out of here. Really picking up some speed now. Woohoo! Looks like they need some empties somewhere. Doing a little relocating. They store these up at Cajon Summit. Miles of them. Moving out. It's about as fast as you see them go out here. They get the green light out here today. I'm sure they're taking advantage of it. Working their way through the cluster. I heard the dispatcher the other day go, "I've got a cluster." She didn't use the other word. That's what she meant. All right, railroad fans, Cajon Pass. That was a pretty cool bunch of open well cars and empty spine utility piggybacks. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us some love. Give us a like. Share with your friends. Help us on Patreon if you can. And we will catch you on the next one. Love you guys. Take care.